Good morning. As a part of our 75 years of Indian independence Diamond Jubilee celebrations, we salute people born on that particular day, every day of the year, and here we are. Today is the 21st of September, and the first hero for today's salute is Sri Gurujada Venkata Apparao. He hails from the then undivided Madras province, in which Andhra Pradesh was included. He is a great poet, patriot, and social reformer who strove for the upliftment of women, for the eradication of differences between the rich and the poor, and for instilling patriotism through his works. His famous and inspiring, simple lines are known all over the country. One of them is his song saying that a country is not just the soil, a country is the people who live in it. And instead of saying mere words, it's better to act. Desamunu preminchumanna, manchi annadi penchumanna. This song is very popular. He preached unity among Indians and he lectured at different Congress meets starting from its very beginning, and he participated in the Indian freedom movement as a famous, inspiring social reformer and poet. Next comes Sri Ramnath Puri, born on 21st September 1881 in Lahore, Punjab, at that time in British India. He is a very powerful writer and he used his pen to point out the atrocities of the Britishers in India and bring them to the notice of many of his foreign friends too. His cartoon, Father India, which shows India in chains, was not well received by the Britishers, and he left the country and went to the US as a political exile. But even after going to the USA, he gathered a number of like-minded people and worked for India's freedom by spreading the way in which the Britishers dealt with the Indians in our country. His freedom literature from USA, the most important, is a Circular-e-Azadi and Rafiq-e-Hind. Even the British abroad banned his works for the way in which they were pointing out the cruelty of the Britishers. Next is Sri U. Naval Shankar Debar, born on 21st September 1905 in Bombay, Gujarat. He is a sincere Congress worker and a devout follower of Mahatma Gandhi. He participated in the Rajkot Satyagraha, and on Sri Gandhiji's instruction, he even led individual Satyagraha. He worked for the Hindu-Muslim unity in the country. He was arrested a number of times for different periods, ranging from months to years between 1930s and 1940s, but he remained a Gandhian and a devout lover of the country. Next comes Lieutenant Maharaja Sri Pratap Singh Nabha, born on 21st September 1919. He hails from the princely state in Punjab, the Nabha state in Punjab, but he wanted the state to become a part of the Indian Union, so he signed the instrument of accession on August 15th, 1947, the day on which India got independence itself. This Nabha state joined the Indian Union, and he also participated in the Indian Army. Prior to that, he worked in the British Indian Army and later he continued to serve as the head of the Sikh regiment in the Indian Army. Let's now salute Srimati Kusuma Kumari Das, born on 21st September 1875 in Bengal. She is a famous Bengali poet, a writer, and social activist. She is known as a poet and mother of Jivananda Das, the eminent poet of modern Bengali literature. As a writer, Mrs. Kusum Kumari Das' poem Adarsh Chele, in English, The Exemplary Boy, became legendary in her times because of the first two lines, which ask, "When within our country will that boy be born, who not by words but by deeds grow big and strong?" She was a leader and a female member in the Brahma Samaj society. She pioneered women's participation in several social activities and worked for the upliftment of the poor and downtrodden in her society. All these people are our patriots to whom we pranam today. Vande Mataram.